Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make bigger storage chests in Dune Awakening. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. And by the way, just a tip, you will need 20 of iron ingots before it can actually work, just so you know, because it is quite expensive to be able to make one. So I'm going to show you now. I'm just going to run here because this is where I want it to be. And then I'm going to click on Y firstly on my keyboard because we need to firstly research I'm going to check, oh here it is. So under construction here on research, as you can see, if we click here on chest and then research, as you can see, it cost us three intel points. So just click on it and click on confirm. Now when you researched it, then we can just equip the builder tool, I think it is, yep. And you need to go to storage right here, as you can see. So under storage you should now be able to actually view this bigger chest right here. So this is the small one that we had before. This is the bigger one. So I'm just going to place it right here. So if I run into it and click on E, you can see there is actually a lot more space for us now. And this is basically exactly how to make one.